Namaste, friends. The devotee is taking all the important necessary steps to detach from objects which are material in nature, detach from relationships which is pulling him down, and while doing that, a very subtle attachment that the devotee misses out is the attachment to this body that he resides in, attachment to the casement of the soul, and that is almost taken for granted because often we identify with this body, and with this identification we forget that this body is going to go away one day. We almost treat it as something that is going to last forever. And that is the nature of avidya or maya, which lets us forget about the transitoriness of this body. And since we forget that, we start nurturing our body. And it's difficult to decipher when this nurturing translates into obsession. As we discussed earlier, preserving this body is important because this is our vehicle for sadhana. So nourishing it is very essential. Exercising, food, everything is important to nourish this casement. But we almost always forget the whole purpose of why we are nourishing, and we go overboard. We get obsessed with this body. And that is when we fall into the pitfalls of too much attachment to body. How does my hair look like? How is my skin? How can I take care of that? How can I do makeup? How can I beautify that? And the harm of this is that we take away the energy, we rob the energy which we could have used for doing our sadhana, for reaching our ultimate goal of God communion. And that is so unnecessary and such a futile exercise. Taking care of the body as a foundation of our sadhana is important. But getting obsessed with ensuring health, with ensuring beautification, all that is unnecessary because it takes us away from our focus, which is of God communion. So, my dear friends, if we are not mindful of this attachment to body, then we get completely shattered when something happens to it. And the dharma of body is to suffer. Let us not forget that. So, ailment is a given. Either the ailment is because of some infection, or because of some deadly disease we have, or because we are just getting old. So, unless we make a sincere effort, we make a mindful effort to detach from this body while being within it, nurturing it, but also giving it the importance that it requires, not more, not less. It is a foundation of our sadhana, one of the very important foundations. So neglecting is completely not required, but obsessing over it is something that we have to avoid. because fear of death will grip us, will make us crippled, and will be such a hurdle for our spiritual growth unless we are mindful that this is transitory, this is perishable, this is fallible, and if that consciousness is there, then taking care of this body, enjoying this body will only be in moderation and focusing on what is necessary than what is wasteful. May God give us this wisdom. May God enlighten us to not fall into this pitfall. May God give us the opportunity to widen our mind to that Brahma Jnana that is important for treading this path, and let the body only be the vehicle and not more than that.